What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. And if it's your first time here, I want to say welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Good to have you here. My name is Andre, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 legitimate ways how to make an extra $500 a month while keeping your full-time job. Because a lot of people have been asking me, hey, can you make a video and, show me, because I've been working and I never have time to do like extra gigs on the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways how to make an extra $500 a month while keeping your full-time job. All right. So I'm going to share my screen real quick so you guys can see what I'm going to be doing. And if it's your first time here on my channel, I want to say welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. Hit that notification button, like, subscribe, and let's have some fun. All right. So in this channel, I talk about how to make money, whether it's online or offline business. All right. So number one, first thing you want to do is launch a blog. Now, people always say, well, I don't know where to start. Use your talents, use your skills. You probably wonder like, hey, I don't know what to write. Well, you can offer your skills and services and you can make money through your blog. So write a blog and use it to generate income online. All right. So the first one, that's number one. Number two, oh my goodness, a lot of people are bypassing this. Babysit. You want to babysit if you know people who does have, if you have family or friends who just have a baby, and it's holidays and they want to go out, so you can volunteer, right? Volunteer to babysit. Maybe they want to have a night out, or a day out, or they want to go to the park. Maybe you can go on some trips with them, and you can babysit. The next one, number three. I write these down as well. You can dog sit. You could dog sit, right? So if you have, again, family and friends who have dogs, you could go dog sit. And dogs are, man's best friend. So people, sometimes going on some holidays, they, going on trips across country, and they don't have anybody to dog sit, so you could dog sit for them. And the next one is number four, right? You could be an influencer. Now, a lot of people have been hot on Snapchat. So if you have a Snapchat that a lot of people like to watch, and you have a couple of people like to follow your Snapchat or your Instagram, you have a large Instagram account, and you have a ton of followers, and you have a special niche, right? Maybe you're someone who likes to post pictures of like you do in the gym or whatever it is. You can offer your products and services, and people will approach you, because I've got a lot of people who approach me on my Instagram account. And if you have a YouTube channel as well, again, offer you services, and you could talk about like different products, and you could get paid for that as well. All right. So number five, and this one is really good. Now, this is coaching and consulting. Now, coaching and consulting, you could do coaching on Skype. You could do it on Google Hangouts. So those are two platforms. You can use Zoom as well to do, Hangouts. So you can offer your services. So again, if you are talented in an area and someone, maybe someone would pay you for your services, right? Just to give them advice. I know a lot of people who does that. So that's number five, coaching and consulting. Number six, you can become a gym instructor, right? So you could become a gym instructor. So whether you want to do yoga, whether you want to do personal trainer or body lifting, if that's something that you want to do, go work at some gym, work at a gym. An extra $500 a month, could do good. So whether you're gonna pay for your car, you want to pay your bills, or you want to pay your debt, right? You can use these extra cash, $500 a month. The next thing you want to do, you could sell pictures. Now, if you like to take pictures, right, whether it's portraits, mountains, rivers, whether it's the moon or whatever it is, flowers, butterflies, use your skills. If you like to take pictures, I'm going to give you a place that you can actually sell pictures. It's called Shutterstock. So Shutterstock, you could sell pictures, upload them. People will buy your portraits and your image, and you can make an extra $500 a month. Now, next one is number 8. You could be a caddy. So if you like being on the outside and you like golfing, why not go offer services or go work at a golf course, right? So feel free to go work at a golf course. If you want to go there, pick up the balls, or, some people out there who, they don't have someone who want to bring their golf bags around, you could pick up an extra $500 a month, especially if it's a summertime now. I know not everybody lives in a warmer climate all year round, but if it's summer now and if you work in 40 hours a week and you got some extra time, why not make an extra $500 a month? Go outside, and it's good for being outside as well. Number 9 is scrapbooking. Yes, right? Scrapbooking. And you could go on, you can use your skills. A lot of people like to cut, paste, glue, double-sided tape and all that kind of stuff, and create like portraits and family scrapbooking or whatever it is. There is a site called Chrome.com, right? So Chrome.com, you can check it out. Maybe you can offer some scrapbooking techniques, skills, different ways how you do stuff on there, and that'd be cool. Number 10 is sell stuff. If you got some stuff laying around like junk and things that you don't use in a long time, such as like clothes, shoes, items around your household that you're not using, feel free to go sell those, and you could sell them on eCash, right? So eCash, you can go on eCash, sell the stuff that you don't need and make some extra money. Again, use that. And so that is. And the bonus that I'm going to give you today is affiliate marketing. So some of you guys know I do affiliate marketing online, and I love affiliate marketing. The thing is with affiliate marketing, what happened is there's companies out there that you can become a part of, right? And offer your services. When I mean services, you could get customers for them. Now, it's not where you're going to go knock on people's door and go one-on-one home parties and all that kind of stuff. These companies have training. So you can become an affiliate for Amazon. You can become an affiliate for eBay. You can become an affiliate for Walmart. And if you want to see the number 1 affiliate marketing company that I've been proud of being a part of now for a year now, because they offer training. They have coaches, one-on-one people who you can speak to on the phone, and they have the training such as like create a YouTube channel or an Instagram channel, or they teach you how to market. So if that's something that you want to do, there's going to be a link down below in the description. Feel free to check it out. And I'm also, again, I'm going to recap all the 10 things that I just said. So the first one I said was launch a blog, right? You can launch a blog. Second thing was babysit. Third one was dog sit. Fourth, influencer. 5, coaching and consulting. 6, become a gym instructor. 7, sell pictures. 8, be a caddy. 9, scrapbooking. 10, sell stuff. And the bonus is affiliate marketing. All right, so you can check it out. I'm going to leave some information in the description as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to shoot this quick video and show you 10 ways how you can make an extra $500 a month while keeping your full-time job, because I know there's a lot of people out there who still have their jobs and want to make some extra money on the side as well. So what are you going to pay your car bill, pay off some credit card or whatever it is, use it to, do whatever you want. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, great night, or whatever time you're watching this. Remember, click on the link below to see my #1 recommendation. Peace. Andre out.